In the phase of global uncertainties, it is essential to recognize that climate change represents one of the most significant long-term challenges of our era. As a leading research institute in the region on cross-sectoral financial studies, the HKIMR is proud to have published already 3 thought leadership reports on climate risks and green finance, demonstrating our steadfast commitment to advancing this important agenda. We are also eager to collaborate with practitioners, policymakers, researchers to delve into significant economic and financial challenges related to these issues.
David's project was originated back, I think, more than a year ago when I had a conversation with him, and I said to him that Huzhou is the most successful green finance pilot city in China. It's well known in China, but not very well known in other parts of the world. So Huzhou is 10 times, in fact, 11 times greener in terms of its loan portfolio compared with the emerging market average. And the growth rates of green loans in Huzhou, it's about 40% every year since 2017 when the Green Finance Pilot City was launched or officially approved.
So to successfully develop a green finance system, there are a number of critical steps that must be taken. First and foremost, you need strong leadership and buy-in from the top. So that key early priority also has to be capacity building because that lays the foundation for the long-term success. So reducing friction across the green finance system is also crucial, and this is where fintech can play a major role. So also you do need a wide variety of green financial products to make sure you're meeting those diverse market needs.
Let's begin with the big picture. Transition finance may be gaining traction, but scaling it up across Asia requires clarity, coordination, and credibility. So how do we move from commitment to capital deployment?
So on the level of authorities in the region, they are progressively working on guidelines and regulations that support transition finance. And mainly on this is on identifying and providing clarity on the definitions of green and transition activities via credible and interoperable taxonomies. And we found that 2 main categories of indicators and factors are driving up or scaling up sustainable finance. The first one being proxies or indicators of capital market development. Now, the second category of indicators that appear to have driven sustainable bonds in the region would be climate policy ambition.
All right, David, you talked about some of the key lessons from Huzhou, and perhaps now it's time to elaborate on those that you didn't have a chance to.
There's also, I think, that lesson of the importance of narrative. You have to tie it to how is this going to improve our industrial sectors? How is this going to improve employment? Because they're much more efficient, they have more product lines. It created some opportunities for them to deal with international firms that previously they wouldn't have got business with.
So Tracy, you are, as you mentioned, you are a practitioner of green and sustainable finance. And so what are some of the innovative structures that you've seen, and what role can Hong Kong play in capturing some of these opportunities, especially as a regional financial hub?
Putting transition label aside for now, I see over the last few years a sustainability-linked type of instrument, typically in the loan format, sustainability-linked loan, has made really good progress in helping real economy to transition to low carbon. Why do I say that? Because this is a more kind of transparent sustainability-linked instrument that often tied to carbon emissions reductions. And with a robust structure, it actually can help to make progress and incentivize the borrower or the corporate to make real progress in reducing their carbon emissions. So Hong Kong is already an international sustainable finance hub, has done tremendous amount of work. So what we are good at is continue to mobilize and innovate a lot of innovative structure